Guys, so we are doing the Cutie series, Cutie Halloween series, the Cutie Vampire Cat, Vampire Bat, blah, 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 as pencil toppers. So I'm only going to shoot one pencil topper video because all 6 patterns are pretty much going to work the same way. The only difference is that on the Vampire Cat, there's only going to be 3 instead of 4. And then on some of them, there's going to be this extra poke down thingy as part of the pencil guard to give you a little bit more depth on the pencil topper. The Tombstone is tall enough on its own that it doesn't need it, but like the cat and the pumpkin, theirs shows short that you need a little bit more coming down. Just follow the stitch order sheet. This is rough video for most of it. So what are we going to need for pencil toppers? You are going to need, and this is relatively simple, medium weight cutaway, hooped. Okay. You can use vinyl for pencil toppers. That's way cool. I'm going to use felt because I've got a lot of felt and a lot of colors. Also, you might want a piece of ollie fun because on my pencil toppers and also the finger puppets, I put a lining on the inside, very thin, so that once all the stitch is done and you shove a pencil up there, it's not catching the top stitching, the design. It slides right along that ollie so you don't have threads and everything hanging down and hanging into your work. And, you know, when the kid pulls the pencil out and the eraser catches on threads and deforms it. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to hoop your medium weight cutaway, throw it into the machine, and you are going to run color stop 1, which is a die line for felt placement. And we will be back in just a minute. See, that was super quick. So we've run the die line for our Tombstone pencil toppers. And then I am just going to float this little piece of felt right over it. I'm going to make sure that all of my stitching is covered. And then I'm going to run color stops 2 and 3. It says 2 needs to be dark whisper gray, but since this is a medium gray, I'm going to go ahead and do white. And then for 3, it says gunmetal. I'm going to go ahead and do black. So we will be back after 2 and 3 to show you what's up and what I'm going to do next. Okie dokie, guys. So we have finished color stops 1, 2, and 3. Color stop 4 tells you it's dark teal. It is not. Remember how I said I like to attach a piece of ollie to the back of my pencil toppers so that all of this raw stitching does not get caught up when you're putting a pencil up in there. So tape a piece of ollie to the back of your hoop, to the back, and put it back in the machine and run color stop 4 in the exact same color as you used for color stop 3. Back in a second. Okay guys, so here we are. We have completed color stop 4, which on the stitch order sheet says it's dark teal, but it's actually black, or whatever color you want to do it in. And you'll see that it has tacked down our ollie fun. And since these are pencil toppers, we're going to need a back now. And we are going to trim away some of this nastiness, because the whole point of the ollie fun is so that the backs don't, or so that the insides are not all nasty. And we are going to grab a piece of, there we go, yep, the charcoal gray. And I am going to save tape, and we're going to put her back on. Yes, we are. And now, same color, the same exact color you used for the ollie fun tack stitch. And to close up the ollie onto it, ollie. We're going to throw it in, and it's going to finish 3 of the 4 sides for the pencil toppers. And we'll be back in a second, and I'll show you how to trim out. And so here we are. We are done with all the stitching. There we go. I'm going to flip it over, and if I have any of these little tie-offs or hairs that don't look good, that I don't like, I am going to trim them while it's still in the hoops. There we go. I'm going to pull off my tape. There we go. We are going to unhoop this bad boy. And then I am going to fussy cut the whole thing. Yeah. And then, since it's 4 in the hoop, I am going to carefully trim Divide and conquer. And trim one at a time. Okay, so here we go. I have already trimmed to the bottom. I'm gonna roundy and come up and trim along the side and along the top, keeping about 1/8 of an inch away from my tack together. And then I'm gonna come down, come here, there you go. There we go. Whoop. All done, all done. And you'll look on the inside and see that I have got some ollie so that you don't have all of the ugly stitches. I'm gonna insert my pencil. And look, Cutie Tombstone Pencil Topper. Yay, I only have 4 more of these guys to trim out and then I'm done. Yay, all right. Thanks, guys.